Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss another stock for y'all, and this stock is ITI Limited, and this stock is already picked by Flopo Business newsletter. This is one of my favorite newsletter to read. It's a premium newsletter, around 2200 a year, but it's really good. So this is a stock that is picked by Flopo Business. Let's see what they are saying. So ITI Limited is a state-owned manufacturing company primarily involved in telecommunication and defense electronics. The company has a significant presence in the Indian market and has been a key player in the country's telecommunication infrastructure and development. Telecommunication company. So this telecommunication company, financial analysis wise, this is showing mixed revenue growth. Profitability wise, it's inconsistent profit. Debt is moderate. Debt level. Cash flow is inconsistent. Okay. So the key risk for this company is government dependence. There is a state-owned company, ITI Limited, performance is heavily reliant on government policies and projects. Technological disruptions, rapid technological advancement in the telecommunication industry, which is very obvious. The telecommunication industry is growing really fast technologically and developing and basically getting new. As we can remember, all the 5G, 4G, and now we have 5G here. So let's see. The company faces competition from both domestic and international players, particularly the telecommunication equipment market. Okay, interesting. So the telecommunication equipment market is, of course, it's international market, and as an international competitor enters in the market, it's always challenging for the local companies, for the national companies to compete with them. And yeah, okay. So investable score is only 4. That's not good. Now, what they recommend for this particular stock, let's see. This is their recommendation. They are, and just let me read the disclaimer before we move forward. This is a research report based on informational purpose only, not construed as an investment advisor. So please discuss with your investment advisor. This is a recommendation they have, what they are going to recommend for themselves. All right. So this is what it is. So ITI Limited is a complex stock to analyze due to its government ownership and exposure to cyclical industries. While the company has a strong brand significance and market presence, its financial performance has been inconsistent, and investors should approach this stock with caution and conduct through thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions. Okay. So additional consideration is government policies, management quality, and valuation. The government policies, particularly those relied on the telecommunication sector, significantly impact the company's business projects. Management quality is the company's management quality and team's quality to adopt in changing market dynamics and implement effective strategies will be crucial. The evaluation is essential to access the market valuation and determine if the stock is fairly priced. Okay. So the conclusion is, while ITI Limited has a strong brand and a significant market presence, it is inconsistent for financial performance. Exposure to various risks make it a moderate risk investment. The investor should carefully weigh the potential risk reward before considering investing. Okay. So this is what it is. So this is a little bit cautious. I always recommend only going for stocks which has investable score above 7 or at least 7. So it's not even near 7, and that's it for this particular stock. So let's just check out the books for ourselves. So this is screener.in, where we are going to check the books of the company. This is 14.60% rally in the last trading session. Let's see, what do we have here? All right, so let's just check the net profits. So the company is showing losses every quarter. Only a single quarter is profitable, March 2022, and every other quarter is in the losses. 70 crore losses in the last quarter, September 2024. So here we can see every quarter is in the losses. 569 crore loss, then 360 crore loss, then there are a couple of profits, 120 crore, 11 crore, 147 crore, 93 crore. There was a series of time when it was profitable, but overall, yeah, the losses are really big. In March 2024 only, they have 569 crore loss. All right, so, and the dividend payout is 0%. Now the net cash flow is positive. The highest positive cash flow is in operating activity, 974 crores, and the highest negative cash flow is 556 crores in investing activity. Let's check out the shareholding pattern. Shareholding pattern is, of course, 90% of the promoter is most probably, okay, let me see. Yeah, President of India is Government of India is holding, the Governor of Karnataka. All right. So this is 90% holding by the promoters, FII is 0.04%, AIS is 0.03%, government holding is 7.90%, and public holding is only 2.20%. Let's just go to the stock chart. Let's see what do we have here. All right, so I have already done some analysis on this stock previously on my other channel, and where I basically gave this level where it's bouncing off. So as we can clearly see, this is bouncing off from this level, so which is very interesting. It's already bounced off. Once it broke, then it came back, then it broke, and then it came back, and then exactly from this level this is bounced really high. So this is interesting. Now levels wise, on the upper level I don't see any near opportunities. Let's see, 390. After 390 I may consider something, but before that I don't think I'm going to be taking any kind of risk here, because already the books are not very good. So I don't know if I won't willing to take any risk on this. So after 390 we will see. So that's all there is to it. Now before we move forward, I want you all to know that please go and subscribe to this newsletter. This is the newsletter where I picked this article from. This is how you can subscribe. When you enter their website, just click on subscribe button. This page will open. You have to give your username, email ID, first name, last name, and password, and then just pick the package whatever you want to basically purchase. The 8800 is for 5 years. It's not for, you don't have to pay 8800 every year. It's for all 5 years. 4500 is for 3 years. You don't have to pay 4500 every year. You will once you pay 4500, you will be done for 3 years. And this is for 2200, it's for 1 year. And I have Research Pro. It's one of the best for quant research, and if you are into automated trading and quant research, this is one of the best research papers. They have really good team in the quant department. So that's all there is to it. I highly recommend this newsletter. I use their articles for my analysis, so this is my responsibility to share that. You can go and subscribe and pay back if you're making any profits, and basically helping out with the information. So that's all there is to it. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.